Hello everyone, this is Raj here doing the unboxing of the Western Digital's portable hard drive which I have ordered from Amazon. I got it for 3,900 rupees, and as you can see the capacity is 1 TB. And then yeah, it's the packing is good, and if you look at the contents, it contains the hard drive, the USB cable, and the quick installation guide. And the model, it's the WDBUZG0010BBK blah blah blah. You can go to the website and you can find more info about it. So let's not waste the time, and then let's jump in to find out what's there in this box. Okay, so this is how it is, and then yep, here we are. So the quick installation guide, I'm sure no one will go through this. So, and the USB cable, and this is our player, the hard drive. And as you can see, it's okay. The build quality is good, and then it's like 134 grams, and it fits your pocket. If you wear any jeans or anything, it should do. Yeah, it's overall it's good, and it's not so thin, but yes, you can actually carry it in your pocket. And yeah, this is the data cable that you get along with the hard drive. And this particular hard drive is compatible with USB 3.0, and which means it also supports 2.0. And in 3.0, the company says that it should support up to 5 gigabits per second, the transfer rate. And then yeah, nothing much. So this is it. And then the operating temperature, it's like 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. And then as you can see, the company also says that it's compatible with all the flavors of Windows, that is Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and not to mention the Windows 8. And then they do say that it supports Mac OS X, but it requires a formatting. As you can see, it clearly says that it requires reformatting to be done. And there's no mention of Linux, so at this point of time, I can't tell you whether it's compatible with Linux OS or not. So this is it with the unboxing of the Western Digital 1 TB portable hard drive. And yeah, if you like the video, just hit the like button, and then drop in your comments. I'd be more glad to improve the comments, improve the unboxing later. Thank you.